Alright, let's talk about something seriously wild. HoverAir. The company behind those slick, hands-free flying cameras is about to launch something totally different. It's called the HoverAir Aqua. And yeah, the name gives it away. This drone isn't just waterproof, it's built for the water. We're talking takeoff from the lake kind of waterproof. A flying camera that literally floats? Now that's a flex. HoverAir is calling it the world's first waterborne flying camera. And from what we've seen so far, it's not just hype. This thing is made for beach days, boat rides, wakeboarding, kayaking, anywhere you'd normally leave your drone at home in fear of a splash. And get this, it doesn't just survive in water, it thrives. It's rocking 15+ waterproofing adaptations. Self-heating components, hydrophobic coating, anti-corrosive materials, vacuum-sealed parts, the works. And it weighs just 249 grams, which means no FAA registration required in the US. Take it out of the box, hit the water, and go. That's the idea. Design-wise, it still follows that HoverAir DNA, ultralight, compact, super user-friendly, but now it's got some serious marine swagger. Think bold color ring, so it's easy to spot, sealed body, and internal tech that doesn't panic when it gets wet. Now let's talk camera. The Aqua is packing a Type 1 1.3 CMOS sensor, same as HoverAir's high-end X1 Pro Max. That means you're getting 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, with a custom lens to boot. And yes, while it doesn't shoot 8K like the X1 Pro Max, this thing still delivers crisp, stable cinematic shots, even in windy conditions. It's got level 7 wind resistance, up to 33 knots, and can hit speeds of 55 km/h or just over 34 mph. So yeah, it's not just for floating around. This drone can move, and more importantly, it can launch and land on water, which is a huge deal. Most drones see water and call it quits. The Aqua, it calls it home. There's still a lot HoverAir hasn't officially confirmed, no solid release date yet, but they're dropping teaser clips, water footage, and specs that have drone fans seriously hyped. And honestly, it feels like HoverAir is making a statement here. They're not just tweaking old designs, they're reimagining what drones can do. First it was selfie drones, now it's surfside cinema. So if DJI isn't watching, they should be, because the HoverAir Aqua isn't just a drone. It's a water-loving, wave-dancing, hands-free flying camera built for a whole new kind of adventure. That's it for now. Hit that subscribe if you want updates the moment Aqua officially launches. And hey, maybe save your next beach trip for drone testing. This one might be worth the splash. Peace.